Man, I want my bros back. If I could see my bros and change the time, I could see them again. What the heck was that? Hey, a time machine. I didn't think the Mac Classic was going to be the computer that runs this thing.
Why? What did you imagine?
Get out of here, Mega Blaster. This is my mission. Okay, I gotta get to 2002. First, let's start it up. Darn it. I have no hands. Wait, I can't use my antenna. Crap. Looks like I need to restart it. There we go. Off to 2002 to save 2001 PC. This must be when DC got hit by lightning. Oh no, a tornado. I'm gonna warn everyone. What year is this? Oh, I guess it's 2005. Hey, you must be my new brother. Yes. Hey, it's me. This is when SRN got burned.
Okay, first of all, it's Thunderbolt, not but, and second of all, if I were you, I'd watch what you were saying with that siren right behind you.
What siren? Where is he? Oh no.
Darn it, I missed.
I'm nabbed. Wait, what's this about the computer? Side effects. A button will randomly appear and fart in your face after you have returned to the present. Oh. Hey, die. Wanna have a Tempest Cola? Sure.
Hey, what do you all say?
Go away.
Hey, 2810, leave me alone.
Oh my thunder baby.
Oh. Thanks a lot. My antenna is broken again.